India is a vast and diverse country located in South Asia. It is known for its rich cultural heritage, diverse traditions, and breathtaking landscapes. The country is home to over 1.3 billion people, making it the second most populous country in the world. India has a long and fascinating history that dates back thousands of years. It has been home to many great empires and kingdoms, including the Maurya, Gupta, and Mughal empires. Today, India is a democratic republic with a federal government system. The country is famous for its vibrant and colorful culture, which is reflected in its art, music, dance, and festivals. Some popular festivals include Diwali, Holi, and Dussehra. Indian cuisine is also renowned around the world for its unique flavors and spices. India is also home to a number of iconic landmarks and tourist destinations. The Taj Mahal in Agra is one of the most famous landmarks in the world and attracts millions of visitors each year. Other popular destinations include the beaches of Goa, the backwaters of Kerala, and the hill stations of Diu. Fellow travelers, today, we embark on a journey to the enchanting land of India, a country that seamlessly blends ancient traditions with modern marvels. Get ready to immerse yourself in its colorful festivals, majestic architectural wonders, and awe-inspiring landscapes. So, let's grab our passports and delve into this ultimate travel guide to India. Our adventure begins in the pulsating capital city of Delhi. Known for its rich history and eclectic mix of old and new, it offers a glimpse into India's captivating past. Wander through the impressive fort's massive walls and explore its opulent palaces, lush gardens, and intricate carvings. India, a vibrant and diverse country, is a land of rich history and culture. From its ancient civilizations to its modern developments, India offers a tapestry of flavors, traditions, and landscapes that captivate the senses. One of the first things that comes to mind when thinking about India is its food. Indian cuisine is renowned for its bold flavors, aromatic spices, and mouth-watering variety. From the satisfying street food delights like samosas and chaat to the array of rich curries and delectable desserts like gulab jamun, Indian food is a gastronomic adventure that promises to tantalize the taste buds. India's cultural fabric is woven with threads of religious diversity. Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Sikhism, and Christianity all coexist peacefully in this vast nation. Ancient temples, majestic mosques, stunning churches and serene monasteries dot the landscape, offering a glimpse into India's deep spiritual roots. The architecture of India is a showcase of grandeur and opulence. The majestic palaces of Rajasthan, the intricately carved temples of South India, and the magnificent Mughal monuments like the Taj Mahal in Agra are testaments to the country's rich architectural heritage. Visiting these architectural wonders allows one to time travel and experience the resplendent splendor of a bygone era. India's natural beauty is equally awe-inspiring. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sandy shores of its coastal regions, India offers a plethora of breathtaking landscapes. The backwaters of Kerala, the deserts of Rajasthan, the lush tea plantations of Darjeeling, and the idyllic beaches of Goa are just a few of the many incredible sights that await travelers. The cultural diversity of India is also reflected in its festivals. From the colorful and joyous celebrations of Diwali and Holi to the sacredness of Eid and Christmas, the calendar of festivities is never ending. These vibrant celebrations bring people together, sharing moments of unity and joy, making Indian festivals a spectacle to behold. While India's ancient traditions are deeply rooted, the country is also a hub of technological advancements. With its booming IT industry, India has become a global leader in software development and innovation. From tech startups to multinational corporations, India's tech landscape is continually evolving, contributing to the country's economic growth and global influence. Its rich history, diverse culture, mouth-watering cuisine, and stunning landscapes ensure that it remains a destination where adventure and discovery await at every turn.